Hello, this is Mike Vohland, publisher of MetalForming magazine, coming to you live from FABTECH 2025 here in Chicago. I'm here with friend, colleague, advertiser, Bob Anderson, VP Sales here at Tower Metalworking Fluids. How you doing today, Bob?
Doing fantastic, Mike. Doing fantastic.
Great. Wonderful.
Absolutely.
Thanks for joining us. What new product or technology can visitors expect to see here in your booth?
So, Mike, the biggest thing that we've got going on this year is continuation and building of our Klenedraw line. We've got some of our new Klenedraw synthetics that we've developed. They come hazard-free, no traditional EP additives, able to handle a multitude of materials where typically, guys, we're having 3, 4, even 5 lubricants on the floor. They'd have to change the machines out, long change-outs for changing lube tanks, nozzles, the whole 9 yards. Now they're able to do it in one product, get it out the door, get it all done. No rejects worrying about running the wrong material with the wrong lubricant, or the wrong lubricant with the right material. A lot of those quality issues go away, and it makes it much easier for them to keep their machines up and running.
Okay, excellent. So that's a lot. So we're off to a good start here to see what's happening in the booth. Second, what market factors are impacting the adoption of your company's products, equipment, or technology? So what's happening out there that's impacting towers?
So big things that are going on for us, with all the changes that are happening through industry with AI, automation, and everything, that's really been good for us because we pride ourselves in having the next generation clean technology products. Okay. Not only next generation clean technology products, but health and safety are still, that's been a driving force for us for several years, and we're really leaning on it. But in terms of what that means to customers beyond for just the everyday shop floor is with the cleaner fluid technologies, the next generation products, we're not using the stuff that's been around for 30 years that leaves sticky residues and causes problems.
Okay, good. That's very important these days and has been. So, and then how has your company adjusted to market conditions in terms of developing new technology? So what's happening out there that's really maybe enhancing new technology for you all?
So really that's a lot of the same thing. A lot of it's customer driven.
Yep.
What are their needs? What are they looking for? What's new materials? And we're really just kind of formulating around that. As I said, earlier, it's giving them the cleaner materials so that when they're running automation, you can't have nice, expensive automation lines that aren't up and running because you've got garbage on your material. You've got to have clean operating conditions and situations where you can function flawlessly with automation. Products have done that.
And automation has been a key driving factor for virtually everything here.
Absolutely.
The last few years.
Absolutely.
Lastly, has Tower made any notable improvements to your after-the-sale customer support, including training?
Including training, absolutely. So we've always had a saying at Tower that knowledge is power. And we've always felt that it was important to not only train our customers in the proper care, use, and application of the fluids at the start, when we're first starting to work with them and getting things going, but even after the fact. We often go in and we'll have lunch and learns or training sessions with customers if, they say, if we see something going on, sometimes we'll say, do we need to do training with your guys?
Yeah.
And let's make that happen.
Okay.
Or, they might say, we want our guys to learn more, and we'll come in and do that. We'll put on a presentation for them and do some hands-on training. Great. It's really nice.
Thank you, Bob Anderson.
Enjoy the show.
All right,
Thanks, Mike.
Great, thanks.